Hi students, welcome to our class 4 of Indian Contract Act. This video presentation is mainly focused on business regulation students, those who are in BCom, MBA, and also those who seek to study or learn Contract Act from the basic itself. In this class, I'm going to discuss about Section 2 Clause A. Section 2 Clause A speaks about proposal. The word proposal. Its definition is like this: when one person signifies to another his willingness to do or to abstain from doing anything with a view to obtaining the assent of that other such act or abstinence, he is said to make proposal. Well, it's a clear meaning, it's a clear idea. Here, you have to learn about the meaning of this some words. For example, abstains. Abstains means neglecting something. Okay. So as a clear meaning of this definition is like this: when one person signifies to another or saying to another that he is ready to do a thing or he is not ready to do a thing if he gave his assent to him for that ready to do or not ready to do anything, such act such act or abstinence is said to make proposal. Okay, for example, A tells to B that if he if he gave 1,000 rupees, he will give his mobile. Okay, so that is a proposal. That is a proposal made by the A. In other words, or in other scenario, A said that A said to B, said to be like, if if I gave you 100 rupees, you must not do or you must not drive a car. That is also a proposal. Okay, there will be, so the proposal can be made on the basis of a positive thing which is going to happen, or it can be made for obstructing something. Obstructing means not doing something. So we can use it in a positive manner as well as negative manner, to do or not to do any act. Okay. So that's the difference in this definition. I mean, that is the theme we have to understand from this definition. So in this definition, there are different type of proposal. Okay, there are different type of proposal. There are reciprocal is there. I mean, if you reciprocal means if I do this, you have to give this. Such kind of proposals are there also. It is also a valid, and it will become valid when the mutual reciprocal obligations are achieved. So that's the proposal. That's a kinds of proposal we are going to learn. But in a simple version, this is the definition of the proposal: that one person telling to another that he is ready to make or ready to drive or he is not ready to drive if he gave 100 rupees to him. Such act is called a proposal. Okay, I hope you understand or understood the uh, clear meaning of the proposal, and this is the first stage of formation of an agreement. Without a proposal, there will not be an acceptance. Without a proposal, there will not be a promise. Without a proposal, there will not be a consideration. So, proposal has a great importance in the form of agreement as well as contract. In other words, we can say the proposal is the first stage of entering into a contract. Okay, so that's the main theme behind in this law. It is the first stage in the contract. I hope you have learned or comprehended this meaning. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, and I'm ready to clarify you. And I'm winding up this session. Thank you. Thank you very much.